Hello and welcome to this LGfL video where we're going to cover the recovery of single items to Google G Suite. So let's start by logging into the GridStore app. And once I'm logged in and authenticated, I'm going to make my way over to the left hand side where I've got Google Workspace. And in this case, I'm going to click on Google Gmail. And I can see all of the backups and all of the accounts that I've currently got selected for backup. And of course I can see all of the different historical dates and times as backups have been running. So in this scenario, I'm going to perform a restore for Adam. So Adam's called up the help desk, he's accidentally deleted some email, and he needs to get that email back using the GridStore service. So the help desk guy is going to click on Adam, and this will take me into our item level restore. And this is where I can choose a date and time, go and choose that user's inbox. I can see relevant emails that have been received on a particular day. I can see who the email's from, and I can see the subject line. I can also see if there was an attachment attached as well. So in this case, I'm happy with my selection of these three mail items. I'm going to simply click on the recover button at the bottom right hand corner. Now before I can start a restore, I'll need to authenticate with my Google administrator login. So I'm going to log in as that user. And as you'll see at the bottom here, the restore to the cloud has just started. So we'll have to wait a few minutes for that restore to complete. Fantastic. So now that the restore has completed, you'll see up on the top right hand corner under notifications, I'll have a notification to show me that my Google Gmail restore has completed. So I'm now able to contact my user and ask them to log into their Gmail. So I'm logging in as my test user. And what we will then find under the inbox and sub labels, you'll see that there is a GridStore date and timestamp. And that will be a complete replica of that user's inbox, including the free mail items that I just chose to restore. So as you can see, it's really simple within Google Workspace and Google Gmail to do a single item recovery. Thanks ever so much for watching.